From the Earth up to the sky, have you ever tried to imagine with wonder about the size of black holes? Imagine a black hole with a mass of 66 billion suns. That's Tone 618, one of the largest black holes discovered, sitting 18 billion light-years away. It's so massive it could span 40 times the distance from the Sun to Neptune. But it's not alone. Astronomers have now spotted about 100 ultra-massive black holes like this since the early 2010s. Our galaxy's black hole, Sagittarius A, pales in comparison. While impressive at 4 million solar masses, it's just a fraction of these cosmic giants. Ultramassive black holes start at 10 billion solar masses, and scientists believe they might grow even larger. In fact, some think these black holes could, in theory, reach 270 billion solar masses. But how did they get so big? New data from the James Webb Space Telescope hints that these behemoths were already forming just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. They likely emerged from colossal stars or direct collapse from gas clouds, bypassing the traditional star formation route. And as for size, theoretically, some black holes could grow to the size of a light-year across, swallowing entire star systems. The discovery of these giants is reshaping our understanding of the universe, challenging theories of black hole formation and growth. So, as our telescopes peer further into space, we may find even more colossal mysteries waiting for us. After all, in the vastness of the cosmos, there's always room for something bigger.